Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm here to explain you about Bella Wind reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us guys and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website and you can see it is an online shopping store which is based in New Zealand, Australia, United Kingdom and United States that deals with women clothing including t-shirts, hoodies and bottoms. Apart from that, you can also find hoodies for men on this particular site. So this is the men clothing category and this is the women clothing category. Guys, they have also mentioned worldwide free shipping on order $79 plus. Now let's check out the other information and you can also see the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's check out the payment info of this website. So here is the payment method guys. And you can see they have mentioned that the most popular online payment method is PayPal and you can send payment quickly and securely online. Apart from that, you can also pay with credit card, debit card or bank account balance. So this was the payment information. Now let's check out the delivery or shipping information of this website. So this is the shipping policy page and they have mentioned that usually it takes 10 to 20 business days for shipping. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 23rd of October 2020. This means this particular site is 2 months and 5 days old website. And according to our study, we have found that this domain is registered for 1 year only. So guys, this is not enough to judge its legitimacy and this factor can't define its genuineness. So let's talk about the other factors including the about us information or contact details. So let's move on to the about us page. This is the about us page of this website and they have not mentioned any information related to business establishment year, brand connection info, business owner name, etc. And guys, the prices of offerings are too cheap, which makes the website quite suspicious. Anyways, let's move on to the contact details of this website. So here they have only provided an email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But guys, they have not mentioned the company's official address and contact number, which is a negative sign and is a bad sign. Now talking about social media presence, you can see various social media icons are available on this website. But guys, when you will check out these social media profiles, you will be redirected to the homepage of the particular website or particular social media accounts. So these social media icons or accounts are misleading and inactive. Thus, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a bad sign. Apart from that, the site has an unknown trustworthiness score. And talking about the return policy of this website, the website has mentioned 15 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. Apart from that, guys, the trust index score of this site is 2%, which is very bad. And the site seems to be not much popular online. Apart from that, talking about Bella Wind reviews, we have found no reviews about this site on the internet as well as on the official website. And guys, the website has too low traffic, or you can say is ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa traffic rank. Apart from that, guys, the site has used the duplicate images, which is a scam characteristic. And yes, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be scam. Absence of complete contact details, zero social media presence, zero security measures, unavailability of company's information, low traffic score, poor design of website led to believers that it is a highly suspicious site and possibly a scam. Guys, you should stay away from such type of scam websites. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Guys, do comment about your thought regarding this video because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.